हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ऑफ एजुकेशन। तो स्वागत करते हैं मेरे चैनल में। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं कुट की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, जिसमें क्वेश्चन आंसर रहेगा। ऐसी हमारी कई सारी वीडियोस आएंगी हर एक पॉइंट पर, जिसमें हम क्वेश्चन आंसर की बात करेंगे। और यहाँ पर दो स्टूडेंट एक दूसरे से क्वेश्चन और आंसर खाली यस और नो का जवाब देंगे। जैसा स्ट्रक्चर आप लोग यहाँ पर शो हो रहा है, आप लोग दिखा देंगे। यहाँ पर ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर शो होगा आप लोगों को। इस स्ट्रक्चर को ध्यान रखिएगा कि आपको इसी हिसाब से क्वेश्चन पूछना है। जैसे वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है, चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और कमेंट करिए वीडियो आपको कैसी लगती है।
Could you stare me?
Yeah, I could stare you.
Could you abuse me?
No, I could not abuse you.
Could you cook food for me?
Yeah, I could cook food for you.
Could you buy things for me?
Yeah, I could buy things for you.
Could you give me money?
Yeah, I could give you money.
Could you see me?
Yeah, I could see you.
Could you walk in village?
Yeah, I could walk in village.
Could you abuse your sister?
No, I could not abuse my sister.
Could you ask me?
Yeah, I could ask you.
Could you understand me?
No, I could not understand you.
Could you speak lie?
Yeah, I could speak lie.
Could you speak truth?
Yeah, I could speak truth.
Could you teach English your teacher?
No, I could not teach English my teacher.
Could you wear clothes?
Yeah, I could wear clothes.
Could you wear new clothes?
Yeah, I could wear new clothes.
Could you solve the question?
Yeah, I could solve the question.
Could you speak lie?
Yeah, I could speak lie.
Could you wash clothes?
Yeah, I could wash clothes.
Could you make tea for me?
Yeah, I could make tea for you.
Could you trade on the road?
Yeah, I could trade on the road.
Could you drive car?
No, I could not drive car.
Could you come here?
Yeah, I could come here.
Could you go to market?
Yeah, I could go to market.
Could you come to coaching?
Yeah, I could come to coaching.
Could you operate phone?
Yeah, I could operate phone.
Could you watch TV?
Yeah, I could watch TV.
Could you take bath in the night?
No, I could not take bath in.
चलिए रिया, आप बोलिए।
Could you read English?
Yes, I could read English.
Could you write on the board?
No, I could not write on the board.
Could you write in the notebook?
Yes, I could write in the notebook.
Could you run on the road?
Yes, I could run on the road.
Could you speak English?
Yes, I could speak English.
Could you speak English in video?
Yes, I could speak English in video.
Could you speak Hindi?
Yes, I could speak Hindi.
Could you apply soap on your face?
Yes, I could apply soap on my face.
Could you come here?
Yes, I could come here.
Could you explain?
No, I could not explain.
Could you fall?
No, I could not fall.
Could you jump on the terrace?
No, I could not jump on the terrace.
Could you jump from the terrace?
No, I could not jump from the terrace.
Could you smile?
Yes, I could smile.
Could you laugh?
No, I could not laugh.
Could you fly kite?
No, I could not fly kite.
Could you weep?
No, I could not weep.
Could you teach?
No, I could not teach.
Could you read English?
Yes, I could read English.
Could you read English book?
Yes, I could read English book.
Could you smell?
Yes, I could smell.
Could you pluck flower?
Yes, I could pluck flower.
Could you pluck mango?
Yes, I could pluck mango.
Could you eat mango?
Yes, I could eat mango.
Could you buy jewelry?
No, I could not buy jewelry.
Could you put on jewelry?
No, I could not put on jewelry.
Could you go to coaching?
Yes, I could go to coaching.
Could you teach in coaching?
No, I could not teach in coaching.
Could you become a student?
Yes, I could become a student.
Could you play in the ground?
Yes, I could. Yes, I could play in the ground.
Could you cut vegetable?
Yes, I could cut vegetable.
Could you fill water in the bottle?
Yes, I could fill water in the bottle.
Could you feel?
Yes, I could fill.
Could you fall?
No, I could not fall.
इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए
हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।